Say RIP to Sharon Okpamen. It's painful. I can never know. Mami, no man would not get the book here. I love why. Everywhere they are done. Then in that one, I reach it. Look at the Sharon Okpamen. She don't know. Sharon Okpamen. She don't know. If you so. Look at the Sharon Okpamen. Why? Why so soon? To have to think about it. And Sharon Enogie, why did you reach your why so soon? You wanna do like say, you the kiss say, now you don't pass. You gonna do like say, I'm a new one, why you there? Who have salon, what I said you were, I'm living in you when you're. Who you about to do?
Good morning, guys. Please share this video. Share this video, quick one.
Sharon Okpamen, my beautiful sister, may your soul rest in perfect peace. Why so soon? Say RIP to Sharon Okpamen. It's painful. I can never know. Mami, no man would not get the book here. I love why. Everywhere they are done. Then in that one, I reach it. Look at the Sharon Okpamen. She don't know. Sharon Okpamen. She don't know. If you so. Look at the Sharon Okpamen. Why? Why so soon?
Oh, let's go there. Now, good morning from here.
To have to think about it. And Sharon Enogie, why did you reach your
All right. I greet you all with better stars. You all know this is Frank Vito, one of the universe. Without wasting much of your time this morning, I want to talk. First of all, let me call out Epa and Enogie. Those two animals who were there for Germany, those two lazy youth who were there for Germany. We don't know say that they work, they make money. Now they beg, they make money. You understand? Yeah, the mood is trigger off my mouth. Yes, I'm gonna share this video. Eddie did a video day before yesterday, and they insulted Sharon, Mama's brother wife. You understand? Another one thing, and inside that insult, he say Sharon, Mama na carry the woman come abroad. There is one thing where we say it come about Eddie. If you be man, Eddie wants saga you, he go say you be true. You understand? If you be woman, if he wants saga you, he go say you be human trafficker. So all this why Eddie no know say Sharon Mama na human trafficker. Now when he Peking die, now Eddie no say Sharon Mama na human trafficker. When I come out to sit down, you understand? The nonsense we say Eddie with Enogie they do. They want do party now. They want come out now, come dance for now, come beg now, come party. You understand? They want you don't use opposition now tell Enogie calm down for Sharon matter. So that means for see person we go come in party. It don't work. Now only fool now go still go Enogie party. The reason why the Murphy hold on to this party well like saying that's not because now him wife they sell clothes. All those people that don't buy clothes, they don't go feel return the money. The party must hold, whether good or bad. Whether on Pangolo they play, whether na speaker they play, party must hold. Now just the fact with that one. The way the Murphy get audio, where he can't play, he plays small for the because shame not let him play the audio. Shame not let Eddie Murphy play the audio finish. You understand? He can't play small. Eddie Murphy, you don't know yourself. For this social media, I don't tell all those people. Anytime presenter call una record that person, record that presenter. Anytime presenter carry their phone, call una for phone, want seek information, they record them. Because now the one when they want to make money for media like they did. No me say they defend the death. Sharon death. What is it called? Enogie we carry on with his wife. Call the narrator for social media. The same person you call your own paddy. Now you close to the pass. You call this saga, the saga mama for social media. Now because your marriage don't near, you say you don't get hand, you don't drop Sharon case. You are a fool. You and the Murphy, you not get sense this morning. I mean tell you, I mean wake up this morning. Because I don't want saga yesterday evening. I want to do it early morning. So that as soon as they wake up now, can't wake up collect course. Because who ever who. Now, I go for play. Now TV video I'm for play. When for the play and one after the other. Now short video. Now point and I don't speak give you now. Because that nyama video me don't play. Please share this video. If you are watching me, share this video. I'm going to tell you about what in the logy. What am you? Oh, you can't be. You can't be the wife and the fully born there.
Miami.
You only will give away now.
Where's it?
Only Magbe.
Mama IT, one of Mama
Douglas. I gave you one no yevenuge. I gave you one no yevenuge. I tell you one no yevenuge. I tell you one no yevenuge.
It's one of Douglas.
Yes,
where's your book? Iwa, umuja kene, ina ibedo la pabe yije. Ibigi okome. I come in to last. No way I say the kaka. Igbena wa wa ya te wa wesi. Yo beje oni no lolo wa. No lolo wa. Richard Esther baby. Esther baby. Esther man. When you so ready, when you so ready,
this is my wife. My lovely wife. Baby, your ways. Baby, your balance. On my walking. When I said that, on my walking. On my walking.
I'm proud of her. On monarchy. When one baby, my baby. What I post, Managato. I talking of with him. Oh, no, I have problem. That's all. I have a problem. Here, baby, look at that. Here, boss, no, I don't know what I like Wakatalo, never Watalo. So that is it.
Please, guys, share this video.
That is it. So I told my him, I had to battle with him. If you like battle with him, if you mean, I told them, a phone. So,
Oh, this is my wife. You marry an enemy, a disguise of a wife. You never knew that you marry an enemy, a disguise of a wife. Today this is your wife. Akpa Vioi. Part 1 and 2. Oh woman, a lazy man who does not work. This is how they behave. Because we make no have here. This is their character. This is the characteristics of a lazy man. On the Facebook, where would they hear? Now business on money. If anybody tell you say Facebook no they pay, they pay money, now talk they talk for the now lie. That they pay. But let's say you get problem with Facebook, like for example me now. I know what I don't use this Facebook money do. You understand? I know what I don't use this Facebook money do. So if you can tell me now, say you were the presenter, Enogie we, Umati you get Facebook you are a fool. Only bloggers alone, money where bloggers they carry. Bloggers will go carry your own video. After your video where Uki agba, iya ye me 2,000, 5,000, 3,000, a blogger sin of a video we. Ama who we no win in the video. You understand? We are no bewe, obewe, like father, like son. Or when no mama who are you ruko. Eddie Murphy win na the Germany. Well, yeah, tia verse no gi no ya win na here. No give away most verse. Us verse no go with your father chat and zogre no go. You can use it to go and look for job. The material working permit ye us verse where without father chat alone. We to now take responsibility of your children. You can be working. You can be working. That same thing no never nebuga hagwal of the Deutschland no masiabo or wo bobo to young winner. Now let's leave the father so we win our Germany. This Facebook is a business too. Even not one. Even when you Facebook or something when we have fabric work with Germany. So how are you not using this money to integrate yourself? Than coming on social media, become a beggars. All those sack illiterate as prostitute women, ni mwere de buto ni man they are left from their right. The most useless person so far when you're in Miami. That bonfu nene ngwe. Ni wamu, iya money liya. Ogia gele degete, uwe gele doni wa webo. Agbagri no. Awe mighty clear. Emina kune wason. Ologa ki ra avant. Uwe doge di Murphy ne yo bo o tian huere. O tian huere. O tian on lo no re UK. Ne no yigo. No zigo na di Murphy. No zigo na di Murphy. Ni ya meke o figo de dogi. No meke o rigo ne nogi. O kwa ri ko na degbe. Negbo gbewe UK ni la ni negbo gbewe Europe ni la UK. Ya so anwina. Ni make na zigo nuwa. Abi ko ni an secret organ be ya gbegbe aga Europe. Fe ya human trafficking here. They not talk to your daughter, your mother. And also not the wakana. Eddie Murphy no see not the wakana ni. Unu we see me. Because these same women you are praising, you have never praised any man on social media. Oh, we are run what wege enogie tinya we on our yobonwe. Does it mean our men are greedy? Does it mean our men doesn't have money abroad? Does it mean our men are not caring? Inya we yobone presenter. Vana mieri kwikwo watinya on social media. Vana mieri kwikwo watinya wa hia wani party. Ni ameka no grace the party wa. And this same set of women were ex-prostitutes, they were all mayash. Now the Murphy can hold hostage in as a human trafficker. Who linked their way out from Eddie Murphy by giving Eddie Murphy money when their picture was out these days. Enyo ikpo bolele, didn't ikpo bolele Eddie Murphy. Enyo iye no magion ekbeve. Kenoro was war. What nyaro wodo. Kenoro wazuo no wetin yaro wodo abi pe ni mo de gboto ni yiku no se ya mewebu ni an ti gugun awunu abi pe no huwa ni mo ko jo wa ni an ti advice. Now do you imagine who at to Douglas it on Douglas yigo huwe it on Epa we nwina Epa we ya gwale nwina Ebo many mega afraid of Jamie 61 years. Oh, you winner. Am I go for retirement? Am I go for pension? She's a medical doctor. She's still working. Oh, yeah, winner. Many of you knew that all the winner. Yeah, oh, winner. You guys will know where you're saying, Bomerine. Okay, winner. When am I buy 50? Ufie eji by eji we. That means what they are killing at you Epa domo. Just to get money from all those frustrated women abroad. Up till now, wow, can we? Ige government, where you live. Ige government Germany, where you live. When I said to move Germany. But we go wa munu ma jet no. You people believe on government money. Win ya no ya we ya zera. Iya wo kan. We na gba gan eri agan je. Odo yeye ame bibi. In social media na wo kan na la dian we I owi gbe agya. Iyere asawo no ni ba bola yegbe. In social media na sunu. Now you want to make sure where e will be via the other way ho. We will via the party okay. Oswald by court. On your mission. Ne di mo fi ya di ogwe no gi. There na. Do ha ma we se Sharon aye.
Love is massive. Because a person will be impossible. A person will be impossible. A person may. I ain't like it. No, you don't go to that. So, why you talk to why I'm out? If no mamma, what? Why you married? If you tell me that about the bottle, tell me to where I'm going. Oh, better when you do what they will.
Ogina bega hari ogina bega. Ewani bega hage ogina bega no. Manasa. Eddie Murphy. I pe guwe. Wa yak pe gogyon ba e. I tik pe gogyon ba. An ya gogyon ba. O ha gogyon ba. Eddie Murphy, I do when I got magmo. Then when I gogyon ba. I thought I had not 12 with or 12 election. Ume document me be. Ume wina jemi. You are not working. Umina. Why is he in the document I get ticket in when I do ale ni sans le gota. Wo dan dare cape. Si you might see Zebu, you might see Guan. Nous là derrière un TV station où il y a Guan. Vous understand? Ama fier banya, ariye gbiwe. La vidéo banya bi. The cat shoot on na mo kwanya kosi. Eddie Murphy ari do what you go jina no might you wear lane. No when he beggar. Ari do what you go jina. That's the question. Ari do what you go e ke na gwali go sale e ma je na. Aki wona pa ari yin re o yin fun mi gbe. E ke na gwali go se awedo e dove ma yin re bagida gbedinka e ma ya la webu. E ma ya ade webu. 1 euro wananya is almost about 2,000 naira in Nigeria. 100 euro now is 174,000 naira in Nigeria. The 100 euro. So that's the 100 naira in Mabuwa. 100 naira in get 100 naira. Or 170 something thousand in Nigeria. A man they go say a pounds now, 100 pounds is close to 300,000 in Nigeria. 200 something thousand naira. In Nigeria, 100 pounds, no, 100 naira. So I tell you now, a web boy go say, why in a mere wherever now? Ah, here you go, no, when I don't want to say, Mama Douglas, it was Douglas, then me non rollo. Here, send you go, they gave you in naira. In naira, ayari go guwe, aye hero go guwe, in naira na ya collect you go, ayari Zenith Bank or whoever in Nigeria. So we might think we go on now. We will send the Arewa na country you are account to go in Nigeria. You see your life. That's how lazy you can be. That's how lazy you can be. Now, who will the go? Also, they by cutting the mulegbe. A care from one and not go about manipulation of go about is all the same thing you are also teaching this boy. Anybody that you have issue with, it become a central boy. A central boy, no saga, no muyo magbi. Who are issue with Oho, he become a human trafficker. A boy now, no, to me auto, not what go see you to. The next thing you want to write a petition against that boy, we caught this, you know. We caught this, you know. You want to use that to frame that boy up. This is how you behave. And this is the person that's coming to power in those states. The Idahosa. This is the people that is coming to power. Am I a governor no Okpamen? Or a Tony Kabaka swan belly man do. Tony Kabaka, a Boston with his squads. I have the video. APC has not come to power. They have started, the talks already entered the street of those states. They have started performing their reason why they are supporting the APC. Power. They've started talking. They've started their job already. Sponsored by Eddie Murphy and his brother, Deco. The evil plan of Eddie Murphy, I will also play today. This morning, share this video. I'm here to expose Eddie Murphy and Deco. But hold on. If you don't hear with Bava, because man, if you don't care about time, the second one is very, very important to the Edo State at large. About Rema is coming to Edo State now. You're already in Edo State. The evil plan of Eddie Murphy and Deco towards Rema. I have the audio and I will play it. You guys will hear it. Watch share video. Governor the deputy. This one is the person where he brought the good deputy. This one and the person where he brought the good deputy. Is this not a shame? Is it not a big slap to APC at large? This one a person where he brought the good deputy. This one are the person where they contest, where he brought the contest for deputy. Oh God, I don't die. I don't say don't suffer, Sha. I swear to God. So now illiterate like this. Now he brought that country. I swear. Ewono Oswo illiterate.
President.
Illiterate now where you're a youth chairman. This is how things work. This is how things work. Where the literate, the graduates, they are slaves to the illiterates. It's only Edo State it happens. Only Edo State on soon. Now, let's go to the
according to Benin language, that's the same you where they drag me, say I they use Sharon matter till they make money for social media. Still they use Sharon matter till they make money. Still they drag Sharon matter till they use until they saga me because you want correct Enogie way. You say and show me they use Sharon matter till they make money. You on your live video, still they talk about the Sharon matter till they saga me. Because why? For your mind, you want to use me to gain followers, you want to use me to gain sympathy from people. Maybe they call they use bad air till they look me say, nah, me not good, now you good. And they use the same Sharon matter till they make money. And you, they accuse me. Say, now me they use the Sharon till make money. Go reach some commenters, go reach some callers where they call in from that person platform. Say, naijawatch. Apology for. If I have ever offended you in any way, that is if I have in this issue in any way at all, please forgive me. For the now, all those correctors must be the worst presenters. I don't leave her for now. The reason is because if you post, they'll say you to post. If you not post, they'll say your friend. If you talk, they'll say you to talk. If they try to explain to them, say, see how you mean, or see the way you say, see the way you mean, they'll say you call.
E quando lime entra nella bottiglia, che il tuo aperitivo si accende e inizia il momento migliore della giornata.
Enogie. Uwe kete olize.
Modalità aperitivo
Ma ono kunu adele uwe.
naturale e corona.
You call yourself saying your party. See what you they do.
Enogie. Uwe kete olize. Ma ono kunu we adele uwe. Ozu ama emoki. Mwana san. We Sharon. We Sharon wa fian wu. Enogie. We na he we Sharon. Tu yan fian wu. We Sharon yan tie we mu. Una he we wo kan we. We wo kan we na he we Sharon. E Sharon ati wa bu wa yu bi ekwe yin. We Sharon to bu wa. We Sharon o yan to bu wa re no yan to bu wa re abi. After o kan we ka do give no ya gbegbe aga with Denmark. After o kan we tie na go gbegbe aga with the whole world ni. E ba we here we Sharon yan to bu. Unda go di mo fi bu we aje wa le do ka ba nu he we wo. Unda ugbo mi yuto nu. Uwa agwo. Oh yes. Unda ge party we no dey. E di mo fi do advice when we wa we nu he we Sharon. Because the more you talk about Sharon and the bunyali kuwe, because here we get him away ropa. E we na we he we Sharon. Utogi. E ke ruri la gyan. E ba ni mala attack we. You go nowhere. Una he we Sharon. If ba all we gbe. Umi ya we marriage ni. E padi ha mu we di marriage we ni. Who are you kunu for? I am we hospital. Unless you continue that saga. Continue that saga, eh? Uga we Sharon. To asun we nogi. Unwe Sharon here talk boy. Unwe bi no gusi here talk boy. Wa gbe wa gbon. Wo ka no ho a. E ma mo no wa yekuwa. Lo lo ki bo. Buku yeke. Wa we Sharon. Unwe Sharon here talk boy. Ku gbe o. Ke no wu yon sa mede TV. No me mo wa gbon. O no ma ni wa ya si aye gbe aga no ogu. Unwe Sharon here talk boy. Wa no wa so Sharon wa kin. When I'm going to the social media, when I'm doing when I'm doing never be oh, I have one. Oh, go back on Yagua. A Sharon Yatu one way. When we are Latin, when I was sick as Sharon, no more Sharon social media. Oh, go out who will go have a why, one more here, you agree. I hear me and what. A Sharon Yatu one way. When I was sick as Sharon, no my Sharon. No, we are sick. Ni we are within one man, Sharon. No idea by Sharon. Or Sharon, you told one of me any amenia. Eminero, I go on water. When I saw the Sharon wanted deck backy. Where did I not do? I tell Sharon Yak Bashak Billy Rig Bill. When I was born, where was Jaws on Italian? Where was Ja? Who was on Umata and knew where a Sharon will yobo me, a Sharon make Babu marry the bank. The Aguan Magbo. Umata what the video instead you come out and since crash a Basharon. Wasu. I'll go nowhere. A man about a good in I'll go where do give on it. I want to walk out Cogra. So for me, I go to Yagway. So for me, I go to Yagway. I said, Beno. I mean, you. Tai come here, doctor. I may me on that woo. We can't go one day. That doesn't be talking no no, I did not want a baby. We are a wound all walking. We shot. We are very we are a wouldn't rest. We can't rest in peace. You are going to rest in pieces. Where rest the fire? Oh, I don't have so. When you so here, I want to. I don't have so very. When I go on, I like me. I'm making it right here. I'm era. Very me. We have a collie. When I wait, Papa, you don't know a year or you were. Umire nogia. Oh, awadi. On the next street there. The street egg baby. I would have making egg baby. Who died bog bear. Understand? Era making egg baby. I'm going. What even do after me? Even no good. And I will go and look for work. Oma, na we yina, we yagi me na no. Ah, kakabo view me. Wa are ye pisi honu sungu ne buru. No dame ho. Manasa. You feel me? Enogie we. We bo. A format in work. a format na casting, a format in Guadona or casting, every work. Then let's play Eddie Murphy audio. Why down here the Murphy? Down here. Or it's a live video. Okay, ya saga woman. Ona ya change the matter. You may get you got recorded the woman. The woman got recording. In things saying smart. I ain't get record. Before you go edit the record. Because we love you know the record in my go before because when we my editor, you may I will not want small you mock back way. We may win the record. Or see when I go pay. Or see no one I go pay. They two were winning the record. We are no. We no more to because you won't come look me. Wa vanoa. We can win. Let me play the original record. To the old one, yeah. And don't forget, hold on. You tell me I'm here. Because a woman I had the view banana. What talk about? Oh no, matter get the movie. Oh no, Matthew Sharon get the movie. Ah, what does down? What does the woman? Steady things. Oh no, Matthew Sharon get the movie. The movie do ya saga Sharon social media. Where do you guys should get ready to see the woman? While in home at the movie every time. The lady no Matthew Sharon get the movie. The movie do ya saga Sharon. At the movie my Sharon. Or mama mata get the movie. And the movie ya be Sharon. So guys, let's unveil that woman. One useless single mother in Germany. You know where? Okay, biome dinner. He didn't wanna obey no. Oh baba. Bena, we came on la Janika Boget with the audio.
Okay. Because okay, brother. Because we are not sending out here with me a video no who concern EJ Sharon under 50 cents. So my American in so because of a pains no VRG or mighty he call you where who done the honor. So, or not when he may, I want my I call you one woman.
This is the woman.
The problem is, it's your way.
This is the woman. What are you?
Woman, any hour, he call him now. So, he wasn't in a way they can. He case one go, my brother. Okay. Then I don't want you will give you wrong information.
Okay.
Okay. Well, you wrong information, by the way, now.
Yeah, go, my brother. You tell me, you no cut you, when that's in your way.
Yes.
Okay, brother. What? When I know we are not done with your hune.
If you even know, okay. What you be?
Okay. I'm a bien on my other for my brother. I move your my other for my. On my team, we come on. Udane on the way you know where your home we go your one I go where. Abi? Yeah. Oh no, where you know I don't we go your
Sister Bell.
Sir.
Sister Bell.
Domo.
When I be no granny. You book here. There.
Okay, oh no, I can no more we a biene. Because we don't say now how my way now where. Oh, more packet can be an egoman in Ottawa. We never done a video where or one Ottawa, Germany, Enogie. And all Kaka ball, Itamawe, brother. Although my play voice okay. And Leroon, Neviga Smudama, Eviga Smudama. I'm making a way, Iloma. Yeah, we not soon or when in I have Fegaro. Number one. Or when my 50 cent man win, I will not there. Then I will not Italy or a web European country, brother. I had to invite on more Lodukure, Urie, illimitato nebotia 00. Urie no money. I had to be where?
That's my winner.
Okay. A mother 50 cent on winner, when I ever have here my young winner. Ona win, ona virie, vivalo dukure. Ona ye 00 niya live sojourner, live document oriye niya. Oriye no wuna keke no be live document ogwiya. So then when I don't know ya ti we he.
Okay.
Oni na ye number 1.
Sorry.
Ana unia.
Sorry, we are not here.
Okay, we better video ni bana, we are not being arrive ni bana that you wear. Udane hona. So we
are doing me, Adamio, or we are doing you there or Tiano soon.
Oh, we are not better radio. Okay, my baby wait till go here break come on the ahi. Nika go egwane, or be game on way, madam 50 cents because of Robalo. I see a go egwa. Udane hona. So all very every fauna via like or do wanna invite here. On we know na seti we ata be mo wa.
The person where you deceive my screen so. This person when I see them I explain because many I see comments. Oh at all. When I see this one where they see my screen so. She did stay for Germany. Now Italy she fed day. She born 3 children for one papa before. She can't go marry. She can't still come born for one man. The man might be Sharon, mama, my friend. She can't born one for that one. When I wait to Sharon, mama, in my friend, one woman first born 3 pikin for her, which is the first one we marry. He born 3 pikin for her. As he bought 3 pikin for the man, this particular one, as the 2 of them not go well, this particular one can snatch the man. From that woman where he born 3 pikin for her, for the man. So this one can't born 1 pikin for this man. This man, she said this woman, now you see this woman, now say this woman tag and lion come back together. You understand? This kind of people don't feel they give man peace for house. So when this man, she said this woman now demon, you know if you stay with him. Now the man leave this woman. Now he take jump Sharon mama. Sharon mama can say, he not they born again, he no one born Johnny Pikin again. You understand? He no come abroad, come born. The one we just get, now he carry console, he's okay with the one we get. Now the man say, okay, no problem, he not see the born again, after all, he don't get children. From 2 different mama, 2 different women. So the one who just enjoy herself, they go. Now the man come to the day Sharon mama. You understand? This woman now go Germany, go seek for asylum. He did Germany as we talk. As a single mother for Germany. They pack small boys below the 42. All those condemned boys for camp. Now they use it because they come. Anybody want to come for Germany now, and this woman they come. You understand? Okay, this woman now, as this thing just happened to Mama Sharon, this woman can go call Eddie Murphy. They tell Eddie Murphy fake story. Say Mama Sharon don't work. He said Mama Sharon don't work. Say Mama Sharon national trafficker. That's why Mama Sharon get a problem with the picking. All these video, all the words where Eddie Murphy talk for social media. You understand? When Eddie Murphy they do that video, this woman, this Sharon brother, with this same woman when they talk for this audio show, they deal with Mama Sharon for us. They come for what the video go give them. As they watch and then they call Eddie Murphy, but Eddie Murphy no pick. You understand? After the Murphy took for live video, they call Eddie Murphy no pick. Now, when Eddie Murphy can see the miscourse of this same woman, now Eddie Murphy call this woman back. As he called this particular one where they talk for this by phone, so they call the talk. Eddie Murphy they record the woman they record Eddie Murphy. Because when this woman called me, you understand? I tell her, say, this kind of story, President one do say, now me talk pass, now me first get the news, now me they close to Sharon, now me they close to Sharon, now me Sharon first talk to everybody want to talk, everybody want to, now me want to come break the news, now me want to come break the news, now me want to come break the updates come out. Sister, if you they talk to presenter, they record them, oh, they be useless, we be useless people. We not there okay. Oh. If you they talk to live video presenter, carry on that phone, carry on here and they record them. Here I'm bon. If you have created content in Yagualo, there be any hard person. There be any hard person. They don't care about your feelings. They sit down. That guy body. See, I don't want use if I say make I saga people for this social media because of this Sharon matter. Many people go hate me. Go reach OKH, where still lost the pikin, never tell ye. OKH, Azuk Bene. E mama no kase do. Okay, why do egbe piete? Mama no kase do. Osamede TV. No wa. No miene. No yo we Sharon Okpa. Ona ya isale Sharon ne. Ona we isale Sharon ne osie to black, to green. Okay, si na ya share video ge. No ya haruviye Sharon. Okwoba. We no ka be nwairo money. We no ka mi obalo money begbe. Okay, so we no ka mi obalo money begbe. We na we dey go give we. No waru wa here wo balo. Una share video na ya haruviye social media na ya mwebuto na ya tell no mama yo we. O we egbe. We na mi go ka su egbe. Udawe yamena. Asegbe na, e ma gbon na. Why you say brain? E ma na akpolo we kian we so media we there yo. Ogwe na nu we yi go yo hun. Munokpia. E ma na akpolo kian ona gbeski for the UK. Ona le sodo aye was odo ya wo gbe gbe. Udazi. Oh. Of you when we can do we send you go give away bo. No yari right. Amalawa part 1 or 2. Why cool if you do wa do wa be wa u ha wa koyo wa ge here ma. Let's go there.
Salary number 1. And if you ever was feeling oh we ya gaje o mo ga se no wo ge ne da do ge ya mu kwa boy. O Sharon na wo na to wa.
Wait. Someone's statement say this her daughter is the one controlling her page. Okay. Her daughter, that means OK's daughter. Then he control OK's page. Okay. If not so, okay, not get fault. I do that thing. Then you know almost your fee. We all see you. We all say you do feel no gear social media because in the eyes of man, that is totally wrong. As old as okay-ish, a mother not supposed to do that kind of thing. You understand? But since now her daughter they control her page, automatically not be she shared a video. Now her daughter shared a video. Where her daughter will share the video? You understand? Where her daughter will share that video? It's totally bad. If her daughter now they control her page, her daughter not supposed to use her own page, her own mother page, share that video. Because everybody will come after her mother for that. Because that's her mother official page. You understand? What is the reason why our daughter shared that video where they insult our own colleagues, mama, where they bring down our own colleagues' mother for the industry? Why? Hello? Agrisimo, good morning. Yeah. No. So, if na daughter, the mother not go talk, say not see the video for her page, she should go and delete that video. Yes, this particular one where I do so now awareness. If I see that video for her page again before this evening, tomorrow not go easy, not be joke. Okay, it's a mother that everybody respects for that industry. She should live by showing good example to others. She get access to the page. She dey enter the page, they do broadcasts for the page. She get full access to the page. So she should go to the page and delete that video from her page. It don't make sense. Video that they turn down on your own colleague, your own daughters, now come on, your own daughters for the industry. Mama, it did your page. It did your page. You understand? So she should go and delete that video. What doing is what doing well. What is bad is bad. We should not be encouraging evil. We should not be encouraging evil. Emma. Somebody has to say it out. On the mountain, you're going. On the mountain, you're going. On the mountain, you're going. I have got the work once. I don't work 100 million way. Well, madam way. Emma, if not Ben and what be my doing. What they give them go. He's even no. Oh, my case. No, my case. Oh, but I'm not dead, man. Don't not dead. What is bad is bad. We'll do the thing, do the right thing. We'll give you kudos. We'll praise you. You've make name. How do you make name? If you make name, protect your name by living with good example. I'm going to go down more. I'm going to see the New York money. The amount of money on him. I'm New York money. Why am I New York money? Why am I making them in that? Imagine them in here. If I make them in here, misbehave. Yeah, Zua. Ni ma make them yaba correct here. Awe we don yawo. Ko me pe ojo dogo di mo fi na fo ne. Madam me.
When my work one and I make be 1 month will wait matter 50 cents. Me do be yen wo we ahun da ma wetin agwe. Oh, we even my work one and I every time I back with them with time you. We are not time away. Even matter 50 cents me and money ga mi e mi uvo. Uda me ho na ga want to time away. Oh, if we but okay. Then Sharon we ya pa be ke no na me we ke no ni jana mi ke ni jana se ti ga ya yo. Oh na do gbe obu be yo we da yan gbe bu be yo a o. E ni ma ni yan be gbe bu be yo a o. Then that's where that va. E no da ese o be mufua. So, I wear a memorage a metano. And is a very big government. A mother 50 cents, brother. A family 100 in a boy, and I went not cooking for 2 years, 5 years. A mother 50 cents is a cooking a beshake. A mother 50 cents is a big name. I love it. A mother 50 cents, you want every hospital, every hospital. The woman is Ella Ati. I can't be no. Eh? Oh my God.
We behind us bedside. We want to one place. They want to a wheelchair here.
Okay, I said they go all money, brother.
We don't know what to do.
Okay, all money. Okay. Okay, brother, even when you time when we are not time away. Umaenwe wala the social media do tell because all got time away. Ime otio me otio ni mebe ni make me do di mama 50 cents when I your do kekebe. Onko me onko Sharon me on me. You just that maybe just I don't know with my don't know that's Sharon. I'm not quite no my way.
Virginia said the Mikibena. One book, the Sharon Godamukai, and me,
Epa, believe it or leave it. Udameona. Nigeria boy near or bo waje, Nanaga, Mateviko. The lucky boy, ni bo waji. Lucky. A boy in my life, and anyway, like because a little boy is a big man, big boy. Yeah, Pessy.
Yeah.
Udameho, oh, money no time when here, okay. Oh, here, but I want to have any cat type. Is there when you come by where oil for a ball money? But I to buy your okay. El Baloni, Emiana. Oh, money got me.
All right, my people, I greet you all with better star what already. Eddie, do man, yo man, yo cool, yo man, work about where we might take my phone out to okay. You're the fan Sharon husband, see now, you the fan Sharon husband. Come say this one and this picture, see now this one, now be Sharon husband, not be the girl. Okay, one ikba, one in the video. No one carry this video come this what's it called? Because this their music get copyright. He said this one will give us one a video. Some videos, see this one go give the girl. The fashion. Sharon baby papa. He dey Nigeria. Now Lagos the guy they stay. You understand? He dey Nigeria. I don't know what's been a problem. One yama boy, we don't shout like parrots, don't shout. I don't know where that boy do. I don't even know the country where that boy. They were not Europe. I don't even know the country where that boy did. One year boy like that. He all come out. He dey shout influencer cover. You know what I mean? But not make woman. They go on a cable like Diana. They go on a cable. The boy be like oh you know you wrong sir. Then the boy you wrong sir. My own only he make no kill Diana. Influencer cover. Uma say no ya Diana. No ya mo we. Yeah. What be influencer can? It's a low boy now who always sets. You see the reason why they're not good for this media because they're all talking. They're all living with lies. If you know my sunu, what tell ya? If you know what as the presenter, all of us now presenter, Baba, God, find your story well. Get a good information. If you diagnose and the person go piss my body, I swear to God. If you diagnose your information, the person when you talk to go they piss for body, you go say, how this boy take no? How this boy take no? The one ya here, or I go, everything my body in way, or I tell boy winner. Or at yebo, winner because I go abweku, emi bweku. God go no say, mata wokanata. Yes or no, that truth. Oh, so that me go, ya ni eti yebo no menwa, ni ameke na gu menwa no, still menwa still say. Ya gbiya de na, zuo. Ya zuo. Because ebo go yogo do ba menwa mo gbiya wadi. Enogie wako begia ya kuma yana ya tie bonu menwa enogie enogie na mo bola mu la wai odo akpe boy live video ebo hero o ma ke no je na ko die we no gi yagbi isa gasa ga na no gi bo ha gbe o ha do ge na ye pa ya wo ikpian o menwa na anwanyo I don't my drink anwanyo na te wa wu ga ma wu ama umewe na wena mbo gwina umewe na agie kwa enogie na hear you in the street I'm ending this marriage enogie na end the marriage ona end the marriage umewe na ari okwe ai wai ina ekwa ari okwe I deal with my beer ina ari okwe ina ekwa asia beer eti awu ogun gbaze ai na ngai part 1 Eddie Murphy udegege o honu okekie ema enogie no wetia e godson we me enogie we video ya tam with president ko election say enogie me we video no mu ye pre group no we kie ni enogie we vote Deco Dennis Idahosa vote Okpamen o ma I was one mabule ya iye jo no ho no mani where see I only wa mo ne fita ya o e glass no bi ya ro o bi wa ni o wa but ekpawele but mani ekpawele but then dago Idahosa but then dago Idahosa but ekpawele ashawo ni mama oni no mati mi eka ya zagazoro iya ya badon no ona amo boke Nigeria obono obono oki ya obono zu are ulala we la ri o wa se iye je no ka gbon wa ne wo pa no yin mo to gbon wa na le aderobu ulala na aye gan yo kila because ni ulala ga ri moto ri ulala na aye gan yo yan do alaja but avec kila avec assassin vote Deco Dennis Idahosa vote Okpamen vote Deco Dennis Idahosa vote Okpamen Enogie ya wa we wa ge kwa e wa ge kwa e di go man no see and when na dey ye social media I will keep telling you the reason why you have become backward in all social media platforms. One, utogigbe broadcast way 89% of your broadcast is lies. 2, okode I saw okode even okode see Eddie. 3, ubegigbe you beg too much. If you know what BQ social media. Oh, take a can with your Ogina big guy social media. But today, we don't know for no day. Ya. We don't know your name will be. A can hope you where you now. Oh, why politics now? Not when I did. Or I hope we or someone now win. Yeah, man now win. Offo ne. On your waffle. Why neru not when winning? Why neru? Because this is a doing like a bill life. You like bill life in your like. Why I pray not when we no like bill continue. Yeah, I'm standing by no office of Banon on our vano. When we were like a left at bill. I saw her. Because your brother won't settle you. Your brother won't settle you. Where can I give you when he was shot? Where that is the house? Gian winning. Gian. No, when I went when I'm one of the bottle, I get it. Then so that's when I vote the second on our contest here, House of Rep. At the movie now, 100,000 naira no wa. Although me why? What the marathon? You guys return the money. What do you want to you are? Let me arrest you while you are. I was arrested while you are. What marathon go? Who are returning go? What make you think the movie has changed? A python is always a python. What make you think the movie changed? It might change. A snitch is always a snitch. Who does any? Oh no, who wait here? Who know you are recording? Then you come out and start blackmailing them. Who can't tell? Who we Sharon or Moholari or the one you have to be again. Who know you are blackmailing as useless as you are. See your life. The Luna I will not water. This woman married traditionally. Always the Inuwa. And I saw on the entity when he was communicating with me, he was with his old man. Or the phone came out of the phone. Ben Wabia go on or the phone waro. The phone the Mujawa. Iya ko wiye. O wiye Sharondi. A chest station gaji. Yeah, do go no make better down here. We moto gbera opo. Eyan gaji we yan pick ko we yan gun.
Where?
That's it. You see, I'm not sure.
Okay. Because say, okay, come brother.
That's it.
Because I agree, not saying I see when
we record when I feel smart. Because I knew this thing will happen. That's the reason why I tell this woman, say, since now you, Mama Sharon give permission, say, call any person that will deform his character, or they call you, pick the call, talk to them. Madam, you're going to be very careful. They record them, or else they go record you, they'll call editor and use until blackmail you against Mama Sharon. Motamawe. I mean, I go advise this woman, not pick any person that call a girl. I pick a coin and you're my bone. You must say. One in the radio, Mila. Imagine it's a bon wow. Why so the radio, Mila? Why so the radio, Mila? Wani? Imagine it's a bon wow. Because let me believe where the death of Sharon is shocking to you guys. That's why you guys are shocked. It's a bezua also go. Because wakeke not here on defend a Sharon. We are deforming a character Sharon on social media. Wakeke no no mudia Sharon no sing Sharon. It was too late. I saw this guy video yesterday this morning. This DJ Jeff. DJ Jeff Frozen DJ Jeff. Not fair. He can be zoo where he was see worker. I saw the video he did last night. Oga Agua. Oga. A video no we uni. Again where I was letting bros. Or letting and they quick man about we had no go live video. We have to go live video because we want to measure influence akaba for your selfish interest. Or do you go? Because you are a DJ. You are the Europe. Now because an influence is la way ne. You don't when you behave so what I'm so gas it down for your room there may let us hear word. May you let us hear word. When this thing happens is that you come out to do video. Oh, we must to go Arabia. If Arabia, Sharon, Robbie, Sharon. Oh, Yakobe. Oh, Arabia, Sharon, Robbie, Sharon. Did the Jeff? Uguanka. Uguayo. Wahumwa. Our friend no have no roge mi rowa. Wa he ya le fika kafi agbene. Wa we ya do tse yeke. Nonsense it ka bu he. Abe no ro egbe no to gere. Wa abe la dia social media. You are called the presenter. Yeke do you give information la dia. We do agbena ko magbo. Boy akobe. Garçon akobe. Oh zanze Sharon wa social media. DJ Jeff. Akobe na rugo we mude. Nous manager. Garçon akobe. Oh zanze Sharon zanze Sharon wa social media. Bishana wune. We do ala de why no wune. Why de na wune. Go straight to the point. Hit your points, my guy. Not the beats around the bush. I get those souvenirs. If you only those souvenirs, you need flexi. You may not can flexi, matana. Or this when you flexi leg bar. What will I drop at? What will I do with video? What will I do with a platform? For this, how many days now? What will I do with a platform? Mr. Sylvester Wadjai. Sylvester Wadjai came out for about 3 days ago. He posts. After he posts, he even came out when he heard they was dragging Agbobiosa and AG Sibili. When they were dragging AG Sibili, Sylvester Wadjai came out to address that issue. But you were not there close to Sharon. You guys sit indoor. You kept quiet. You were watching the drama. How it's gonna go? How it's gonna go about? Why like a cat here? The information get presenter. They don't know why. Only my yagbe woto. I did this video for the first beginning. When this guy, again, I'm like, you know, why in that guy now? Why neru no woman? Why neru ne in now the video? You guys see the video, right? Or you guys how my Sharon come right? According to you, where you guys mute. Now, none of you guys came out categorically to buzz the news. Mola de Yotawe, they don't ask Owu Owune, Irani Yense. Owune. Then arrest my case. Oh, we are Kobere, and not get we. You lads and do drag my son like Shobia. And the Yaki Sagara. A video ni meu. I feel so bad and so everybody cannot be the same. Even the book so in a vie, I'm a very aware. You Sharon Okpamen. Mese TV, I'll make me that's my problem. Is you me woo, after the me woozy, Imavia, or when I a boy a guao, in a mukmongwe, in that banana school. I got to write my exam. In a exam. Very me woo, in me ye wo day one, what's in me somewhere, in a me woo. Wu. Ina cook back be. Ina ari fridge when I come with small start like na me Pamela na me sek be. Na gbo for. Ina la kitchen. Ina ko have microwave chicken. Ina abune. I let go to my Facebook page and wrote there where I lost my dad. And that's all. I just be like you know like video go gba san when you was saga when you was saga. No who would man. That's me for you. There will be a time I will be missing him. I will feel sober. I will feel bad. What did they say? I will miss my dad. Now say you be. And Sharon will have the live video to tell the world where Sharon will. And I was drinking and eating. They console myself with my turkey and my beer. Enogie he picked that video to use to saga me. One of the more the video ladian, Nimeya and I say he was on my platform listening to me when I announced the death of Sharon. He also not going to go and pick my video to use to saga me. Oh, when one bugoni, I'll me one wari, cause I'm me one la. I'll mozo, me no mozo, I'll me wari, cause what do you know so here? Then I came and said, Nogi, do we more will not be Sharon. Walk out and Sharon my way and I said that okay. It's not my who we are not so a debt again now. Oh, no, man, automatically you have hands in this guy's death. I'm not going on the cagbe. What kind of night guy now? You want the matter get out of coma. You narrated this guy. Now, someone so your boy you work now. You have a hand in this guy. In this guy's death. You boy yak be we tie. Enogie won't Sharon. Because we are going to social media. Oma Eric Bedia. Oma Eric or what's it? Na ko ulei. Una caste. Una caste. Azan also. Avec rien. Ni mate fier, ni mate mwegbe. Yana so akokere yo yeregbe. Wa ke me gwan yo si wa na nwa. Yana so akokere yo yeregbe. Na meke. Vena akoko bono kase. Oye karakwa. You all kept mute. We had Ladian. Oh no, look at the video you did yesterday. Sharon will visit all of for us. Why they cut you home when we Sharon. You know I get the Jeff, you know, get our feel. I don't feel laugh. No, although you have a lot of points for real. If you don't know, you make a lot of sense. Yes, I must say it. Despite where it was too late, bro. I'll tell you the truth. Umay de guan, or one masse. And the matter when I see because why do react gonania? Manani was on analyze the video. If you want to analyze your video now, we will say you for your selfish interest. Let go. We will call it your selfish interest. Because why? We're going on here. I don't so near. If less akaba, modo momo, if less akaba, Sandra. Sharon, Sharon Biena. Oh, you West Ladian do I defend influence? Influence we don't defend the baba. What talk by bros? I greet you. What talk? Senior my hello. Answer. What up, bros? Master, and what on that here? Because I do it. I sent to Nason. On more we were dead. I said not to Nason bomb. Master, okay, my time. I don't say I yes my influence is going and influence on no influence don't more. Okay, but influence it I watching the he don't claim me what to do. He move Master. My way influence on Yamo, that one's normal. Well, we don't go on we are going we are influence is good. If you mark on the only way the only way you're running trying to why you're very relevant in the blue. For real, I'm here view the video for do I'm here view the video. You understand? But it's so bad. It's so bad. I'm not making sense. It's not you want to grow. You might when you can't tell now there be no day. Now I think we casted the news. Moka casted the news. If not bad the muffin here. You understand? Then you want me if you no go allow, but you will not grow at the end. Because when the time I find out if you don't find where water, they will see you as a liar. Why that way video no say your way. Yeah, it's the truth. I mean no say because here we again I told you I mean what I platform okay. Wala when I just one live video. What's the level? What's on the I'm making now. The man no car we news in the man carrying one day with friends, he carry friend Sharon. He make carry one day. There you know Jeff now. We know Jeff. I mean now the one where if friends carry the stay with Sharon. I never knew. You understand? The man here be on the carry sunu. So why will you just wake up and you also not that way? One ni buni there I don't you me that you give information present and here azuo. It don't make sense. Now, how did this guy know now where this guy even have anything to do with Sharon? If let's even have link to Sharon. How did this guy know? Is he living in that city? I don't know. We understand even now. They tell me to tell them where there was a time flex came, the way lodge you hotel, they say a room is good, that's normal. I get 2 bedroom for my house. I feel see any life, any celebrity now come and do celebrity. For you to go to waste money for hotel, and want to play for my area. I'm saying, bro, you first stay my house in Daybreak. You understand? Daybreak, like go club, come pick you, you go show, you go do your show. After that, you feel even though 1 week, stay there, you don't need to pay money. That's the beginning for you. You understand? I'm not the way I'm a stay you. But stay. But don't want me wait. Okay, for example, now with Sandra or any of this video actress comes to my area, we have perform. I can say, okay, mama, for you to go to the lodge for where for. Do your things there. You understand? Everybody, 2 ears will not hear it. That's how it goes. Other than the love, a lot of people stay in people's house in UK. Now my home is home. Many of the UK Benin people, other musicians, you are away from UK, but 2 ears not here. Those things the most they come on in UK. I'm away you ever home. Every no time, I present that. And that's what social media is saying. Nobody here. And that's what I'm working in Nigeria. And I go to Kenya allergy after a visa expired. And what's your Kenya you are? 2 years not go here. You understand about this one? You don't understand. Obi the wabi roge, drag like that, influence you, influence again, influence. What's your guys' problem? Now, I want no one to see one in one boyak now. That's the only. Oh wow, you people are so demonic. No musician now, no Benin musician now. One can sing tribute song, give this lovely woman. Because no su, wa we wa gusu. No see one, wa we wa gusi one. No boys na togbuwa. Wa nigga aro yak boys. No na togbuwa. But we talk about oh I go here we or not composing one you to water. Can you just imagine people? Imagine the mentality of people. The way people today reason. My wife, you see this ass. Only one here. Okay, why you be going on here? My life, I got it. Very bad guy. Oh God, we not the sleep for that. You understand? How can you imagine? Person sing song. It address. It give us in feelings for your sister. We buy. Una come out. Una the saga the man. How do you imagine? All the mini saga maji. Even one figure me now with saga. Because someone make sense. I'm making sense. A lot of musicians would have loved to sing, to use their voice to bring out their grievances, their feelings, the thing with the girl of it do. They for love to use and sing. Nyaga si one ya presenter. Not make sense. Or no anybody can address that person in a way you feel. You don't feel the pains of the death of that person. And when they don't pay you, they pay thousands of nairas. Now this is tribute song Niriya Origina. Obie will now mean us who ne wanas warovio. Make sense. It doesn't go where. It is very, very bad. And secondly, I also heard one word about from the DJ Jeff. Radio Emilia people should come out and protest. Yeah, in peaceful protest. That's a nice one. Because I watched the video, see what you said. Santa Maria Hospital, Santa Maria Hospital here, the Radio Emilia say the Radio Black say they buy for that hospital. It is very, very bad. You understand? It is very, very bad. Now, truth. If that kind of thing occur, me and one will use this my platform now and beg all Radio Emilia people. You guys need to come up for now also because why? No car war at it. It can happen to anybody. Because I have any behave so my trust in here. It's very, it's the truth. But see, is it in my bestie? I know in Nigeria. Or in Nigeria we day Tuesday. You understand? A day Monday on the shop. We know where I back you know where I did. No I did my rotor. My own day on control my one at ambulance and that's not more. And I'm hospital. That Monday in my the shop. My me on Sunday evening. After grooving on Sunday evening, my me go to discharge. So Monday through that Monday my shop. Me no waro. Now I go carry live video. Then if you not sunu ba, you want rush here. Avec gas in that call, you not rush here by na hospital. Tuesday morning, early morning, and that same Tuesday they making a board. Or the Nigeria change your marriage in Nigeria, change your marriage this Saturday. So me I don't make every preparation. Say okay, Tuesday then go before you go you contribute so that okay that's no problem. Fine. So Tuesday morning, because let me go try this guy for sure, so that make us see if the guy all. I did because I expect he call. I'm not gonna say he call. So my call here we feel they know okay, me track away. Me shop. Me say shop now says girl here quick shop. What's this? Why they lock shop this kind of money? What's the happen? Where they go? Of here, the guy they cry. So what's the happen? Is school space one kind. Talk to me what's the happen? Say you know the year Monday, you don't see what's the happen. What's the happen? You know what's the happen to your friend? I say, what's the happen to my friend? Wait, my friend, what's the happen to her? Say she did hospital. They hospital. I say, what's the happen? What's the happen with the hospital? Wait, now you follow. They call ambulance for her. Who call ambulance? You don't know any of them. You don't know the people who call ambulance for her. Why you follow the go? And when I don't know, the last time I call, somebody carry for her. You don't know, say, no, okay. Now they folk back. Now call the gas area. Alpha, bro. Secretary, where you did? Try your way there. Where you work? This one where they work. This one say, you know, they work in your day house now. Where you drive come there? They had every day back. Now what you want to go hospital here? See, this guy no way the hospital. Man, but not hospital. My hospital back. It already been here. You card over here. You know what I say here. Now the card over there. Now drop a card over here. Card here. Now my system. You know what? You know what transfer now? The case they critical. What this can you transfer? After sitting on the fourth city, the fourth. Yeah, I'm worried. I guess in a way, they don't know that place. I know. Then me know a bad guy, me know here. Me know that you. When they let my young man, I worry me what one. No, what if full like that, but no, I go on my map. Bah. I'm all like to now master. And my drive is a very big hospital. You know, when I drive is I say when it bar, when I go to the hospital. My other used to go big. I don't even know road. I also kept on the work they go. Well, after the control, what's the way would they look for? Because otherwise they black you are very. My name. Don't want my balloon where my balloon. I already cut the lad, you already cut the money. Anywhere, you know what else you want to describe the street. Do, I'm worried. My eye, my eye is stepping good. Man, I really was a bad bar. I do tell man, young balloon bidding. This is the person you know what. Oh, young Paris, Nigeria, they Tuesday, they come out, they're not taking a bottle. My guy, my Sivani, my eye, you know, for some hours. You know, okay, my baby, my day, I agree around. I'm not around. How far? David, on our giving. I say everything. What is what happened? Minus, I don't know. That way, high fever. High fever, worry. But no, could wake bay. You understand? No, okay. You're not bad. I don't know. I'm going to yam you hospital. You're not bad. So every day, you're back. When I'm going to roll. But 4 days ago, I discharged a hospital. 4 days ago, I discharged. I was always there. Through last week, now only once I do live video. In the morning, I don't do video. I did hospital. You understand? I did hospital. I was always constantly go to that hospital because in my trust started bony. Yeah, I my on do anyway. They feel collect anything until you know, but until they go away. He left me one day because you know Greek. Yeah, my name is Vaneku. It's a grammatic. Even na feel like guma. I have old boo. So you that mentality you can remove anything. Say, I just know accident. Me no me accident. Me na me accident. Me one scooter. And I'm me rungo. And I see me side game. Oh God. Me no me no lose blood in inside go back. E bona ya see me side game. You know ya drill pan with side game. Me na see here. Me no can I at a week born I lose blood na side game. And I mean you see you where you want bugby. And I ballo you side game for the house of features. You marry one that I'm well. Okay, Nigeria no matter you got a reno. You marry shishi me. You know want see me side for free of charge. Yeah, agba ogini. Also a protest in DJ Jeffy Gwankani is very, very important. It's very, very important. It should be peaceful. It should be peaceful. Because we're not going to concern Nigeria go say no concern. This one go say no concern. This one go say no concern. Now people they buy like chicken for this abroad. It's very, very important. So that was a nice one. I want when you talk where I don't like that one. Because of women. There is nothing you guys should do to go because of another person again. With that because why? Everyone when I'm a resident, or I want me, everyone am worried. Can you